A special package arrived today at the Untamed Beasts headquarters. We're very curious what it could be. There were several boxes, within more boxes. So this is the last box of the group. We want to do this very delicately so we don't harm the precious contents within. It's the Untamed Bestiary! Oh my god! The final book in all of its beauty. Packaged and wrapped delicately. They did a good job for packaging. Oh my god. Look at that! That's so pretty! Three years of hard work, finally in our hands. This is it. Oh, and a little page to protect our end pages. Awesome.